ashes of my failures, in the ruins of my past, you stepped into the darkness, and your mercy held me fast. You spoke life over the broken, you called beauty from the pain. Now my heart begins to whisper, I am whole again. Every chain is falling, every fear is fleeing now. Your love is restoring every place that I shut down. You make all things new, Jesus, you do. You breathe your hope into the places I once hid from you. Oh, you make all things new, faithful and true. From the dust you raise me up, Lord, I'm living proof. You make all things new. Where the heaviness once lingered, now your peace begins to flow. Where the lies had built their fortress, now your truth begins to grow. You revive what has been shattered, you redeem what I let go, and you turn my deepest mourning into joy I've never known. Every shadow breaks now, every burden melts away. Your presence overflowing, filling me with grace today. You make all things new, Jesus, you do. You breathe your hope into the places I once hid from you. Oh, you make all things new, faithful and true. From the dust you raise me up, Lord, I'm living proof. You make all things new. You restore the broken pieces, you revive the weary soul. You rewrite my story with a love that makes me whole. What was lost is now returning, what was dead is rising too. All because of you.